Hey guys, Namaste. Welcome to our channel EXPINIOR, where we hope for the education which is applicable and practical. So in this video, we will solve few questions regarding factorization. And in our previous video, we discussed about a quadratic equation, general formula of quadratic equation, and a factorization method. In this video, we'll solve questions so that we get a grip on factorization, as this is a really very important topic. So without any delay, let's get started. So the first question will be 6x square minus x minus 1. Okay, now as I said you, the general formula of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Now we have to compare the general formula with the given equation. Then we'll understand that here a is equal to 6 and b is equal to minus 1. We don't have anything, that means it's 1. Okay, and c is equal to minus 1 again. Okay, now the first work we have to do is splitting the middle term. So for that we have to multiply a with c. So a into c, that is 6 into minus 1 is equal to minus 6. Okay, got it. Now what will be the possible factors of minus 6? Minus 2 into 3, okay, or minus 3 into 2, or minus 1 into 6, or minus 6 into 1, right? So we have to either, we take anything, if we either add or subtract them, we have to get the middle term, that is minus 1 or minus 1x. okay, so if we take this one, the second one, minus 3x plus 2x. So let me write down here, minus 3x plus 2x is minus 1x, right? So we have got the middle term. So we successfully splitted the middle term. So we are done with this. Okay, now we will divide the given equation into two parts. This is part 1 and this is part 2. Okay, one second, and this will be part 2. Okay, so now to make you more understand more better, I'll expand part 1. Now our target is to expand part 1. So 6 can be written as 3 into 2 into x into x, okay, minus, we have 3 here, 3 into x. Okay, now what do you see common in between, like this is minus, these are two terms, term 1, term 2. okay, so we see 3 and x as common in both of them, and now we'll take 3x as common. Okay, 3x. So what are left out? 2x. Write it down here, and we have minus here, minus, so 3x is the same, so 1. Okay, the same thing is there into 1. okay, now we have 2x minus 1. 1 is only common in both of them, so 1 into 2x minus 1. if you want me to divide it again, expand it again, I can expand it like 2 into x minus 1 into 1, nothing, 1 into 1, minus 1 is 1 into 1, okay. So we don't have anything common here, only 1 as common, okay. So we took 1 as common and we got it. So now the next step will be, we have 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 here. We'll write it down, 2x minus 1 into 3x plus 1. So we are done with 90% of the procedure. So the next step will be, so we got 2x minus 1, 3x into 3x plus 1. 2x minus 1, 3x plus 1. Now we have to find out the roots. It's equal to 0, right? Quadratic equation, I've said it's equal to 0 already. So 2x minus 1, if this one, okay, 3x plus 1 goes to RHS, it becomes 0. 0 by 3x plus 1. It's in multiplication state now. When it goes to RHS, it gets divided, okay. So it becomes 0. So 2x minus 1 is now equal to 0. That means 2x is equal to 1. I need not explain you people how it became 1, I guess. From I guess your 6th or 7th class you are doing this LHS and RHS problems. Now x is equal to 1 by 2. 2 is in the multiplication state. When it goes to the RHS, it becomes the division. So x is equal to 1 by 2. The problem did not complete here, dears. 5 more % is left. 95% got completed, okay. So in the same way, we have sent 3x plus 1 to the right hand side. We can even send 2x minus 1. It is also in multiplication state, right? So 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 by 2x minus 1. Yes or no? So 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 now. 0 by 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now 3x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 3. Got my point? So here are our roots or solutions of the equation. This is the way we solve the question. Now we'll go into the next question. Okay. And the question number 2 is 4x square plus 6x plus 3 to 2, which is equal to 8. And what are the factors of 8? 2 4s are 8 and 4 2s are 8, then 8 1s are 8, 1 8s are 8, right? Okay, so we have to either add or subtract so that we get 6x. So here we have 2 and 4. So 4x plus 2x is 6x, right? So we'll normally write it as 4x square plus 4x plus 2x. So we have to split the middle term. So 4x plus 2x is equal to 6x plus 2. Now this is one part and this will be the other part, okay. 4x square and 4x. What is common in both of the terms? 4x. So 4x brackets x plus 1. 4 into x is x square plus 4 into 1 is 4. 4x plus 4x into 1 is 4x. So we successfully done the first part, okay. First one is done. Now the second one. What is common in both of them? 2 plus 2 is common in both of them. So plus 2 into x. Plus 2 into x is 2x. Okay. Plus 2 into 1 is 2. So we got the second one also. Make sure that both of them will be same. If you are not getting both of them as same, then that means you have done the mistake somewhere. Okay. Yeah. Now here we write it as x plus 1 into 4x plus 2. So 90% of it is done. Now we'll go to the next step. X plus 1, 4x plus 2. X plus 1 into 4x plus 1, I guess. Right? 4x plus 2. Okay? Yeah. Now, the first one. X plus 1, 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. It is directly mentioned how like if you get a doubt how it is equal to 0, it is already directly mentioned in the general formula itself. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? Then x plus 1 is equal to 0 by 4x plus 2. Need not explain you how you got, how we send 4x plus 2 to RHS. Okay, x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1, right? Then 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. Automatically when it goes to RHS it becomes 0. Then 4x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 by 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So these are the x values. Got it? So we have done the second question. Now we'll enter into the third question. So the next question is 10x square minus 3x plus 3. Okay, minus 13x. Okay, now first a into c, that is 10 into 3, it is 30, right? So factors of 30 are 2 into 15, 3 into 10, 5 into 6, 6 into 5, and 30 into 1. Okay, 1 into 30, obvious. Got it? Now how can we split the term? I mean minus 13x. 10x square as it is. Here we have minus 3 and 3 into 10. We can write it as minus 10x minus 3x. Right? Got it? So yeah. Here we have minus 10 into 3 is obviously 30, and minus 10 into minus 10 plus minus 3 is minus 13. So we have successfully splitted it, and the two parts are part 1 and part 2. Okay, so here what do you have common both of them? 10x into x minus 1. Okay, 10x into x is 10x square minus 1. Okay, here what do we have common in both of them again? Minus 3 is common in both of them. Minus 3 into x is minus 3x. We put minus here because if you put plus here it's wrong. Okay, minus into minus, it's plus. So whatever the term you have put here, you have to multiply. Okay, you have to multiply it with this term so that you get the correct answer. So minus minus plus. Okay, ones up. Now you got both of them as same, right? So here 10x minus 3 and x minus 1. You can write it vice versa also. This one here or this one here. Anything is okay. Now the step 4 will be finding the roots. 10x minus 3 is equal to 0 and 10x is equal to 3, and I'm writing this step to here. X will be equal to 3 by 10. Yes or no? The second case, x minus 1, sorry, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Okay, done? Yeah. So these are the roots of the equation. If you want to know if your answer is correct or not, then replace any one of them in the equation in place of x. If you get the answer as 0, then you are done. That means your answer is correct. Okay, next. So the next question is x square minus 7x minus 30. Okay, so the first step will be a into c, that is 1 into minus 30, it's minus 30, right? Now we will put out the factors of 30. Minus 3 into 10 or minus 2 into 15 or minus 15 into 2, vice versa, or it's minus 10 into 3, okay, or minus 5 into 6 or minus 6 into 5. Okay, yeah. Now we have minus 7x over here. What could be the possible, this one or this one? Okay, so 10 minus 10 plus 3. Okay, now we'll write it x square as it is. So we have minus 7, right? So the big one, 10 is bigger than 3, so we'll use this minus 10x plus 3x minus 30. Okay, got it? Minus 10x plus 3x is minus 7x. Now here we have divided successfully into two parts. This step 1 will be taking what is common both of them. In this we have x as common, x into x minus 10. X into x is x square minus x into 10 is 10x plus 3 into x. 3 into x is 3x minus as it is into 10. So 3, you have got it, right? So minus x minus 10, x minus 10 is same here, into x plus 3. Okay, now find the solution. X minus 10 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 10. X minus 3 is equal to 0, x plus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 3. Here are our two solutions. Got it? So this is how we solve the equations. Okay, make sure that you practice more so that you get a grip on it. So if you are not even understanding how we got x is equal to 10, x is equal to minus 3, then it's a topic of terms. You have to learn terms first and then enter into factorization. So even how to solve these terms and divisibility rules and everything, I have made a video it's a previous video, you can watch it. Okay, so this is all about factorization. So if you watched this video till this extent, it's good, you have done your best, you'll do it. Okay, then I have to inform you that this is level 1 of factorization. We have different levels, high level, okay, basic level, small, big and high level, and different types of questions even in indirect questions in quadratic equations. Okay, so we'll make videos of it. So this is level 1. We'll have level 2, level 3 and how many ever it is possible. It will say you easy method to solve the hard equations and many more. So do watch them because this is really important. So until then, I would like to say, if you like this video, if you felt yeah it's good, then please put the like button, because you'll understand till which extent you have done our work. Your judgment is really important to us. It improves our skills and many more. We can do the better, the best, and many things. And even comment down how, if at all it is positive or negative, we have to know it, because it's like we have attended an exam and we need a response for it. We'll understand where we have committed mistakes, where we have to improve, and many things. So that's it. If you feel like you have to further watch our videos, then do subscribe to get our notifications, and thank you.